Looking to transform your fruits and vegetables into fresh, nutritious drinks? The best juicer on the market offers unmatched efficiency, effortless operation, and superior juice quality, making healthy living easier, tastier, and more convenient every single day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. YPONE Juicer. The YPONE juicer is a thoughtfully engineered masticating cold-pressed juicer designed for anyone who values convenience, safety, and nutrient-rich juice. One of its most notable features is the 5.4-inch extra-large feed chute, which allows whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced without the need for chopping or pre-preparation. This feature not only saves time, but also makes the juicing process more efficient and less messy, ensuring that even busy households can enjoy fresh juice every day. Safety is a key consideration with this model, as it incorporates a smart safety lock function that automatically stops the machine when the lid is opened. This prevents accidental operation and ensures peace of mind while juicing, making it especially suitable for families. The YPONE juicer operates at a low speed of 55 RPM, which is ideal for cold-pressed juicing. The slow squeezing and grinding method prevents heat generation and oxidation, preserving the maximum retention of nutrients, enzymes, and natural flavors in every drop of juice. Another standout feature is the dual strainer system, which employs 2 layers of 0.3 mm mesh to filter the juice twice. This not only prevents clogging, but also maximizes juice extraction with a high yield of up to 99%, ensuring that virtually no juice is wasted and every sip is packed with flavor and nutrition. Ease of use is a major strength, with a simple 3-step assembly process. Number 2. Ninja Never Clog Juicer. The Ninja Never Clog Juicer is a versatile and highly efficient juicing solution designed for users who want fast, mess-free, and customizable juice every day. One of its most attractive features is its ability to handle tough ingredients without interruptions, allowing non-stop juicing of fruits, vegetables, and even leafy greens. The Total Pulp Control System gives users complete flexibility over juice consistency, offering 2 interchangeable pulp filters to create smooth juice with less pulp or more fibrous juice with a richer texture. With 2 one-touch programs, Start, Stop, and Reverse, the juicer is simple to operate, even for beginners, while the reverse function ensures that jams or clogs are easily cleared for uninterrupted juicing. Its high-torque motor rotates the auger at low speeds, reducing heat and preserving the natural nutrients and flavors of the juice. Users will appreciate the anti-drip lever, which prevents spills and keeps surfaces clean, making it a practical choice for daily use. The simple assembly process allows quick setup and breakdown, and the compact size ensures it can be stored easily under cabinets, saving valuable kitchen space. Cleaning is quick, efficient, and straightforward, making the Ninja Never Clog Juicer a low-maintenance appliance for busy households. Number 3. Canoly C16 Juicer. The Canoly C16 juicer is a high-performance cold-pressed juicer designed to cater to a wide range of juicing needs, from fresh fruits and vegetables to nuts and frozen sorbets. Its 3-in-1 strainer system provides versatility, enabling users to create nutrient-dense juices, creamy sorbets, and even nut-based beverages, making it an all-in-one solution for modern kitchens. The advanced AC brushless motor operates quietly at just 35 decibels, making it ideal for daily use without disturbing household routines. Designed for efficiency, the juicer features a 6-inch extra-wide feed chute, allowing whole fruits and vegetables, such as apples and carrots, to be processed without pre-cutting, saving time and effort during prep. Additionally, the pre-cutter and anti-clog design prevent jams and ensure smooth operation, even with fibrous or tough ingredients. The juicer delivers an impressive 99.6% juice yield, ensuring that almost every drop of liquid is extracted from maximum nutrition and flavor. Cleaning is convenient, as the detachable pulp container locks securely and can be removed for quick washing, making maintenance effortless. Durability and long-term reliability are also key features, with premium materials ensuring that the juicer withstands daily use over many years. Number 4. TUUMIIST Juicer. The TUUMIIST juicer is a high-efficiency masticating juicer designed to provide maximum nutrient retention and ease of use for daily juicing. With its 300-watt slow-speed cold-press motor operating at only 55 RPM, it mimics the gentle hand-squeezing process, extracting juice while preserving vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. This low-speed technology reduces oxidation and heat generation, ensuring that the natural flavors and nutritional value of fruits and vegetables are maintained. Its simple, one-piece design allows for quick assembly, while the included specialized brush ensures that cleaning can be completed in just 5 minutes, making it extremely convenient for busy users. The feed chute is designed for safety, preventing accidental operation, and the entire machine is constructed with BPA-free materials to ensure that your juice is free from harmful chemicals. Its thoughtful design also includes clear troubleshooting guidance and secure locking mechanisms, ensuring optimal performance and reliable daily use. Users can enjoy high juice yield and smooth operation with minimal effort, thanks to its slow squeeze technology and carefully engineered components. The TUUMIIST juicer is particularly suited for families or health enthusiasts who want a durable, safe, and efficient appliance for making fresh juice, smoothies, or nutrient-packed beverages. With its combination. Number 5. Whuto juicer. The Whuto juicer is a compact yet powerful cold-press juicer that prioritizes efficiency, user comfort, and high juice yield. Featuring a 4.35-inch large feed chute, it can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting, allowing users to create fresh, nutrient-rich juice quickly and easily. Its upgraded spiral auger technology enhances cutting and squeezing efficiency, delivering a 30% increase in juice extraction, while maintaining optimal pulp separation for smoother, richer juice. The thoughtful design of the Whuto juicer includes a 45-degree angled control panel for ease of use, durable stainless steel body construction for longevity, and non-slip, vibration-absorbing suction cups for stability during operation. Safety is a priority, with a built-in safety lock that pauses operation whenever the lid is open and prevents disassembly while the machine is running, making it ideal for households with children. Despite its compact size of just 7.08 by 4.8 by 16.53 inches, it delivers professional-level juicing performance, producing high-quality, nutrient-dense juice from a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. Cleaning is convenient, with easily detachable components and thoughtful design elements that reduce hassle. Users can also experiment with mixing different fruits and vegetables in a single run, creating flavorful, customized juice blends. The Whuto juicer combines power, efficiency, safety, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals and families who want to enjoy fresh juice daily without complicated setup or excessive maintenance. Its thoughtful engineering, high performance, and ease of use make it a top contender among cold-press juicers, delivering maximum nutrition, smooth operation, and reliability for all daily juicing needs. Overall, the Whuto juicer provides a superior juicing experience that balances quality, safety, and convenience, ensuring satisfaction in every glass of juice. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.